Welcome to the second video in our series about standards-based grading for our K-2 families. If you missed our first video, take a moment to check it out. It defines what standards-based grading is and details how it's different than traditional grading that students will experience in grades 3-12. So I want to start our video with another frequently asked question. What does a level 1, 2, 3, or 4 really mean? So Board Policy AR 5124, Grade Reporting and Regulations, outlines for us the grade scale that should be used in each grade band. If you scroll down to section 2, you'll see for grades K-2 for subjects reading, language arts, science, social studies, and math, we will use a 4-point scale. Board policy defines what a level 1, 2, 3, and 4 should be. So our K-2 grading scale is defined as follows. A level 4 exceeds grade level expectation, shows deep understanding. So for a student to receive a level 4, they would have to be working above grade level. So if they were working on first grade standards, they would have to showing mastery of second grade standards. A level 3 is the goal for all of our students, which is meets grade level expectation, shows consistent understanding. And that consistency is key when we differentiate between a level 3 and a level 2. A level 2 is defined as making progress towards meeting grade level expectations and shows inconsistent understanding. And a level 1 is defined as does not meet grade level expectations, having considerable difficulty. I'll remind you that those grade level expectations are provided to us through those standards for each one of our subjects. The North Carolina Department of Public Instruction outlines those standards for us through the North Carolina Standard Course of Study. As a follow-up, when grading a student's artifact of learning, whether that's something they do pencil paper, it might be sitting one-on-one with a teacher reading or working out math problems, it might be center work. There are all types of ways that students can demonstrate their learning, but when a teacher is trying to assign a grade to those artifacts of learning, how does a teacher decide which grade to assign? Is it a level 1, 2, 3, or 4? And so to create grading consistency across our district, teachers are given rubrics for each one of the standards that will be assessed for the standards-based report card. Rubrics have been developed for each of the major content areas: reading, language arts, math, science, and social studies. Those rubrics were developed by a team of content experts within our district. Our rubrics detail what a student must do to demonstrate a level 1, 2, 3, or 4. For example, if a student receives a level 3 for a particular standard, we know that's meeting the grade level expectation, but what must a student do to meet that expectation? What type of skills or knowledge must they demonstrate? That's what the rubric outlines for us. And that helps us to create grading consistency across our district. Students aren't being compared to one another for their grades or their performance. They're being compared to a consistent standard across the district.